So in this video, we play Will You Press the Button? So this is basically a game where you choose whether you press the button based on there is a benefit and a side effect. So for example, in the thumbnail, right here we have, I believe it's, you will become invincible, but you will still get hurt. So for example, you choose, if you press the button, you will get invincible, but you will still get hurt. If you don't press the button, that is not true for you. So basically, if you never press the button, nothing ever happens, but sometimes you want to have a little bit of fun. So, in this video, there was a little bit of chaos, but yeah, it was really fun to record and hope you liked the content. You become a god at video games, but you can now only play co-op games with your little brother or sister and are forever player 2. So, I'm guessing that this means that co-op games, if you want to play a co-op game, you can only play it with your little brother or sister. You can still play other games, like single-player games like Legend of Zelda, Spider-Man, God of War, Halo. But yeah, if that's true, I would just not play co-op games. That's fine. Yeah, I'd press the button. This is assuming... Okay. I was okay with this until I became player 2. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So, next. You have an IQ of 300. Your parents abandon you at age 15 with nothing to give you? Okay, we're assuming I take... Okay, we're assuming that they just leave. They don't necessarily give me anything, but I can just take what I want from whichever house that they don't take, which is what they would use. So like food and stuff. I would probably keep my PCs so I could still record. However, that would be sad since it's in 1 year. Actually, noting that my birthday for age 15 is actually in 5 months, I believe. Okay, so 5 months and a few days. 5 months, 26 days-ish, because it's December 21st. So yeah. So I have 5 months to prepare. Okay, assuming I keep everything as in everything I use that they don't. So like, my phone, my PC, probably the game consoles in there too, since they never play those. Assuming that, I think I would be fine. I would probably have to get a job, but as soon as I'm age 15, I can get some decent jobs. And I can save up to keep going to school. I can save up to go to college. And then, yeah. I think I could survive. However, I would rather not my parents abandon me. No need for parents when you're the smartest person alive, yeah. Yeah. Okay. IQ isn't a basis for intelligence, no thanks. Yeah, I love my parents more than pattern recognition and simple calculations. Yeah. 300 IQ means you can quickly solve problems. As in, you can think quickly. Not like you know everything. So, I think that that's an important thing to note, too. But yeah. You would be able to help yourself. You would be able to survive. But I don't think I'd like to live with my parents having abandoned me. You're supplied with 10,000 calories worth of delicious, fresh off the skillet bacon a day, but you have to eat all of it. You would die. You would die. Here, this downside wear thing, you would die. Yeah. Upside where? Yeah. You. Yeah. Plus, I kind of. Okay, I will be honest. I don't like bacon because it just sometimes. Okay, I like the crunchy part of bacon, but when there's that one piece of like the weird fatty texture, like the fat that you find in like chicken, yeah, I can't deal with that. Assuming it's well-made bacon, yeah, I'll eat. However, I would not eat 10,000 calories worth of bacon. That's just... you would be dead. Someone gives you a plot of land and offers to pay 75% of the cost to build your dream house. But the property is located in the middle of a cemetery. The only issue with this is that friends would be creeped out coming to your house. Otherwise, it would be okay, because bodies don't necessarily stink all the way through a coffin and the ground. It would be actually nice to walk through a cemetery full of flowers. Just don't mess with the flowers, preferably. I'd be okay with it. Win-win. Okay. Okay. No noisy neighbors, no neighbors to complain when I get noisy. I can semi-safely stroll around outside in any state of dress or undress, especially if this house is surrounded by a really old section of the cemetery that nobody comes to visit anymore. The large majority of people that would ever come around are there to pay their respects to deceased loved ones, so they won't bother me. Even if living in the middle of the cemetery made you uneasy, you'd get over that relatively quickly. Exactly. You'd be able to avoid people. No one would dare rob you. There's a bunch of dead people there. I would be able to deal with it. I would be fine with it. I'd like that. Yeah, there's no problem for me. You will become a champion among humans. As in, like, Link? You will bring eternal peace and prosperity to the human race. Your name and face would fade from existence, and you will receive no reward for what you've done, including any sort of publicity. Sure. Why not? Well, assuming I don't physically fade from existence, like, my name's not shown in, like, chapters of how peace and prosperity came to the human race. Assuming it's just that it's not that I just disappear from existence. It just seems that I disappear from existence? Sure. Yeah. So basically, Saitama. Not necessarily. At least from what I know. You get to live inside the Mario's Brothers universe. Interesting. Is there multiple Marios now? Mario Brothers universe for as long as you want, but you can't jump. How useful would that be? Not at all. What the... What kind of... Okay. Okay, next. EA will begin making better games that everyone will enjoy. They will not remake or continue any previous game they have published or made. If I remember, all EA games so far suck, so sure. Yeah. Well, it does say also continue. Oh yeah, that's what they said. Right there. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Wait, Tetris is owned by EA? No, 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 no. Tetris. Please tell me. It is no... No way it's made by EA. Okay, see? It's not made by EA. Publishers. EA Mobile. Okay, Nintendo. Nintendo is the main publisher. I know that. Because, well, yeah. Yeah. You can write in all known languages, but you can read in none. I feel like that's useless. Okay, you find out what happens after you die and can prove it. What you find out causes mass panic around the globe. As a result, there is no physical contact for the rest of anybody's lives. As in, nobody physically touches each other. That's fine by me, personally. But I feel like mass panic around the globe is a little too insane. You can prove it, you don't have to. Yeah. Yeah. So, next. Okay. Your life ends now, but you feel no pain. It's like you suddenly fall asleep forever. Where's the upside? Yeah. Great button for the suicidal. I would not give it to a specific friend. That friend is probably watching this video, disappointed that I mentioned them at all in a video. But, yeah, it's gonna be hilarious. Okay, I would not press the button. Yeah, for real, what the frick, humanity? Are there really that many? Yeah. never will you go back to school, but you also have to give up all electronics. Okay, I am a nerd. I don't necessarily like school, as in the American school system sucks. But it's double bad for me because I like learning no matter what I learn. As long as I don't learn frickin' propaganda. And at least the American school system, most of them admit how terrible America was, actually. Yeah, my teacher for the last school I was in, which was like a week ago. Yeah. She was a meme freak. I have a memes for her thing here that you can see on my bookmarks bar. Yeah, I have a bunch of memes here. So yeah, I put a bunch of memes in here that are, some of them are like some of my older memes from social studies class. Some of them are random science memes, depression meme, and then technically the true memes. What? Okay, but yeah. There's a lot of memes in here, and yeah. I might just put it out for the public as like a viewing thing. I believe. Okay, I don't have it directly shared. Okay, anyone with the link can be a commenter. Now, so I might just copy the link and allow anyone to just add comments to this and see what kind of chaos there is. Yeah. Yeah. Exactly. I would never. 317 people. Good luck being able to survive 7% of people. Every TV show you watch will end exactly as you wish, but you will never know how the show was supposed to end. Is there a downside to that? Oh, and now this is memes for everyone, by the way. I just noticed. I should probably edit memes for everyone. So now it shows there, and anyone I share it, I might just share it to the bottom of this video since I have it set to anyone can comment if they have the link. But yeah, my way is how it's supposed to end. Yep. This is an accurate comment. What? Wait, how does that work? No, you can't just... No. Okay. You can just... You get $1 million, but you have to take your mom shopping every day for a year. You never said how long it has to be. We could go buy one thing and leave. It says only that it only lasts a year, not eternity. You get $1 million. Okay, but what if your mom spends all of that $1 million? Like, yeah, I want my mom to have good stuff. I care about my mom, obviously. I don't want her to spend all of, like, a prize money. Like, assume I win the lottery. I'm not gonna spend all of it on her. I want to spend some of it on myself, some of it on like charity, some of it for like pocket money, some of it for other people. What, you think I don't have a dad? No, I would not pay. Never said I'm paying. Yeah. Get $1 million. Oh no! Poor guy! I feel bad for him. Yeah. Get me one packet of gum. Okay. So that's 364. Assuming each packet of gum is $1, which it's probably not. It's probably like 50 cents. Assuming that, yeah, that wouldn't be too much money. Assuming she spends only $1 a day, it would be fine. Ability to teleport anywhere, anytime, in an instant. For every meter you teleported, one person, be a child or scientist who has the cure of cancer, will die. Oh crap. Okay. I would only teleport in extremely dangerous instances. Like if it's actually needed to like save the entire world or something. But no. Oops. Yeah. Teleports 45. Yeah, actually, that would work. No, buddy, it's for every meter. If you teleport 99 centimeters, that would also work. Yeah. Just imagine accidentally teleporting to a random galaxy. Yeah. Yeah. Screw them. Only children and scientists that know the cure of cancer will die. No. Um. Yeah. Okay. Next. You gain absolute control over the universe, and you can change anything with a single dot. You realize that the universe is merely a simulation, nothing around you is real, but you are unable to leave. So, I have basically my own simulation that is the entire universe? What's the downside? What? Sure. As long as I don't get too corrupted with that power. Eh. Oh no, save anyone from the brink of death, but a random person dies in their place. Only if the person has, like, I don't know, the cure to cancer, or like an immortality thing. Like something to help make everyone immortal. Like an idea for that. But yeah, no, I'm not gonna do that. Yeah, that would be so silly. Just like, save someone from the brink of death. A random person dies in their place, they die in their own place. There you go. Next. You can stop time and do whatever you want. Once you turn it back on, you forget what you did. just record it with your phone. Wait a minute. Would the phone even work? The electrical signals would be stopped. But if you send an electrical signal manually, you would be able to get the phone up and running during the stop time thing. And just record everything you did. Yeah. Sure. No, I would not do that, personally. Okay. Have the power to be good, but you're always drunk. Sometimes it does feel like there's a drunk god controlling us, especially noting current situations. But yeah, no. I don't want to be a god, or... Yeah. Oh, okay, no. I don't want anything to do with sex. You win the lottery, you cannot understand English for the rest of your life. Yeah? Yeah. Well, yeah, if you, like, learn Japanese. Or some other non... Okay. These stupid comments. Okay, they're funny. They're just not accurate. Yeah, I would not, personally. Yeah. Well. Okay. You have the ability to read minds, but you mumble everything you heard in your sleep. Yeah, like, if you're alone in bed, it's fine. Yeah. Okay. That's something I would do. I live alone. I win. Yeah. I want to live alone. I win. You can make a planet in our solar system and shape it however you want, giving you the potential to make your own heaven planet. Interesting. You can't go to any other planet ever. Upon entering another planet's sphere of gravitational influence, you unleash a fart as powerful as a supernova, killing all life forms in the solar system. What? A fart as powerful as a supernova. Do you know how insane that is? Okay, let's just do the science real quick. That would blow you to smithereens. That would destroy the solar system, obviously. That... No. At least it admits how insane it is. No. Yeah. Yeah, that works. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna cancel that. I'm gonna press the button, because if... yeah. Nope, nope, nope. Only in this solar system is it wiped out by a fart as strong as a supernova. So if the news spread across the galaxy, yeah. Like, what the frick is that? Okay, you get as much free KFC as you want for life, but you have incurable acne on your back. I don't really care for KFC. You get to live in the world of Harry Potter. None of the Harry Potter characters you know exist. Okay, it's just a different Harry Potter universe. It would be fine. Quite possibly, there's no dark lore, which means that it's most likely a more peaceful Harry Potter universe. So, what's the downside? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. You can skip through timelines, but you can never use your reproductive... Okay, yep, sure. There's no problem with that. Asexual... Yes! 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 That's it. I'm waiting. Yes! Someone else agrees with me. Yeah. But asexual... Who said asexual is a gender? What? Nobody said asexual is a gender. Yeah. Omegas. What? Who said asexual is a gender? Omegas. Nobody said asexual was a gender. Nobody said asexual was a gender. Oh. Okay. It's not necessarily diseases because it's more time travel. No, wait. It's skip through timelines, as in you can change what timeline you're in. Basically, you can look for the perfect timeline for you. Interesting. You have a job playing GTA 5 that pays $1 million. You have to write a 1,000-page essay about every day to get the money. First of all, the only thing I like doing in GTA 5 is driving. I will be honest, that's the only thing I like doing in there. And then a 1,000-page essay? How would you do that? That would take the entire day. No. Really. Big letters, 999 pages of very and 1 page of nice. Yeah? Yeah, like what? People can have an opinion. You will become immensely successful in the field of your choosing. Sure. You will go through life watching everyone all around you slowly drift away from you, and your success will be your downfall. Okay? Joke's on you! Okay. You would look. Okay. You get up to. Okay. I already had that. You get free unlimited beer. Wait a minute. $400 a week. That's a decent pay. And only. Yeah, that's. Yeah, that's good, actually. Well, for a basic job, obviously. Not for like a full on job. Because that's like $10 an hour. 10, 11, $12 an hour. But yeah, I would personally not want to do that. Okay. Yeah. No. Actually, that would be fine. Because if that's not counting my job, if that's like an addition to my job, that would be okay. I would just not use the free unlimited beer. Yeah, sure. Where's the downside? Yeah. $1,800 per month. 1,800 times 12. Yeah, that's like. Okay. So, there's about 52 weeks in a year. So 52 times 400. Yes, I need a calculator. Wait, I can just do 52 times 4. That would be 208. So 2,800? No, that doesn't. Oh wait, that's 280,000. No, that sounds like way too much. Just a second. Times 400. Huh? Wait, what? Okay, so it's 52 times 4 and then times 100. 52 times 4. Wait, what? Oh, because the 50 part is to, like, 20. And then, okay. So I see where I messed up in that math. But yeah, that's a pretty basic salary. What's the salary for the computer programmer? Okay, I want to do. Oh, wow. Okay, so 66K to 79K per year. It absolutely depends. But yeah, average right now, the best paid 25% made 122,000 per year, and the median was 93,000. It's a really good paying job. So, assuming I manage to get that job, which it's a bachelor's degree, I know. That's 4 years of learning specifically about computers. But, yeah, that would be... Plus that? Yeah, that would be really good. Because who wouldn't want extra money? Okay, clicked for the side effect. Yeah. Plus, you could sell the beer. Yeah, beer actually goes for really high prices, depending on who you give it to. So anyway, if you want to see more content, check out my other videos. And wait a minute, I'm supposed to wait for the intro. Okay. Here's the outro, not the intro. So thank you for watching. If you want to check out any more videos, there should be 2 here. I think right here, probably. I don't know. I'm not very good at pointing. But yeah. If you want to check out more of my videos, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you liked this video and want to see more, go ahead and click the like button to let me know that you want to see more of this type of video. And have a good day.